Hello children, we are solving questions and answers of The Storm in the Garden. Okay, today we are on page number 66. So let us start. Now what you have to do, let's write. Now you have to write. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Pick the right word from the box. Now you have to look at this picture and you have to complete the sentences while using the right word from this box: in, on, under, behind, and over. Okay, so let us start. The cat is jumping dash the wall. Here what will come? The cat is jumping dash the wall. See, I will tell you. Here answer is over. The cat is jumping over the wall. Write it. OVR. मीनिंग ऑफ ओवर इज अबव, कि उसके ऊपर से. बट व्हेन वी कॉल ओवर, व्हेन द एनी देयर इज डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द कैट एंड द वॉल. देयर इज डिस्टेंस है ना, उस वॉल के ऊपर से उसने छलांग लगाई है और वो एकदम नजदीक से नहीं, ऊपर से. दैट मीन्स it has some distance between them, wall and cat. There are some distance, थोड़ा सा distance है. That time we call the cat is jumping over the wall. इस wall के ऊपर से. The cat is jumping over the wall. Okay. Over is used when there is some distance between the cat and the wall. कि इसमें distance है. That's why we say the cat is jumping over the wall. Understood? Over the one I will explain also. If this is a football goal post, ऐसा गोल पोस्ट है फुटबॉल का, and if some football player has shooted the ball and the ball goes from upside of this goal post, so we can say the ball has gone over the goal post. कि गोल पोस्ट के ऊपर से वो गया ओवर, और वो ज़रा डिस्टेंस से जाता है. दैट्स वाई उसे ओवर कहते हैं. ओवर का मीनिंग भी सेम है. ओवर मीन्स ऊपर से ही, बट उसमें ज़रा सा डिस्टेंस होता है. अंडरस्टूड? द नेक्स्ट इज द कैट इज इन द बॉक्स. हाँ, इन द बॉक्स. इन मीन्स अंदर. सो द कैट इज इन the box. Right, in the box. Next, the cat is behind. The cat is behind the door. Behind means पीछे. So the cat is behind. Cat is behind the door. Next, the cat is under the school. Under means exactly नीचे. So the cat is under. Cat is under the stool. Stool के नीचे. Next, the cat is on the suitcase. हाँ, the cat is on the suitcase. Here see, हाँ, meaning of on and over is same, but see the difference. On means exactly touching that surface. Cat is exactly sitting on this bag, on this suitcase. Sorry, the cat is on the suitcase. This is one suitcase and cat is exactly sitting on, कि उसके ऊपर ही वो बैठा है. Exactly, cat is exactly sitting on this suitcase. So that time we use on. For example, I have keep my book on the table. On, कि उसके ऊपर मैंने रखा है. Exactly, वो टेबल को टच है. Similarly, cat is exactly sitting on the suitcase. So that's why the cat is on the suitcase. And here cat is jumping. ये थोड़े से डिस्टेंस से उसने छलांग लगाई है. Cat is not touching the wall. Cat ने वॉल टच नहीं की. क्या exactly वो वॉल पे नहीं बैठा है. That's why the cat is jumping over the wall. कि थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस है. That's why over. Understood? Okay, now we will sing one song on which is on page number 67. let's sing. This is boy and he is singing the song, so we also have to sing it. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. This boy is outside in the garden each fine day. हर अच्छे दिन में वो वहाँ पे होता है. And with his ball he like to play. He likes to play. I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball on each fine day. I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball on each fine day. हर अच्छे दिन I am bouncing my ball. कोई ऐसा बॉल को बाउंस करता है. Next, out in the garden each fine day, with my kite I like to play. Out in the garden each fine day, with my kite I like to play. Now this boy is playing with kite in the garden. Every fine day, हर अच्छे दिन को वो kite के साथ play करता है. Then I fly my kite, I fly my kite, I fly my kite on each fine day. He is flying his kite each day. Understood? First, he is playing with ball, bouncing his ball in the garden on each fine day, हर अच्छे दिन. And again, he is flying his kite in the outside in the garden and every day. Understood? Okay. Now see on page number 68. You have to practice how to write cursive. Cursive कैसे लिखते हैं? You have to practice now. Let's practice. First word is rain. So start tracing the dots like this. This is rain. Okay, it becomes rain. Rain. This is also rain. Remaining you have to do. I will tell you what is it. This is tree. Tree. Then coat. What? Coat. Then sheep. SHIP, sheep. Then field. Field means खेत जमीन, खेती की जमीन. Field. And last is play. All of you practice it, trace it on the dots and complete it. Okay. So today whatever we have done, solve it in the textbook. Okay. Now we will see our new grammar lesson.